how to search movies and series on Amazon Prime Video. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can search for movies and series on Amazon Prime Video, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually search for movies and series on Amazon Prime Video, just open the Prime Video application here and then just make sure that you're basically signed into your account. Once you're signed into the account, one thing you can do is you can just go to all, or you can just go to movie section here. You'll be able to see all the movies that are available, or you can simply come to this TV shows option as you can find here, and then you'll be able to see all of the TV shows and series. But if you want to search for a custom movie, then in that case what you want to do is just tap the find option here. Once you tap the find option, you'll be able to simply go ahead and then enter the name of the movie. Once you enter the name of the movie, you'll be able to see the search results. You can just go ahead and search for a specific movie and then begin watching them, whether it is a movie or whether it is a TV show. This way you can search for movies and series on Amazon Prime Video. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.